What's up, everybody? Welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be having another Arcade1UP to review. This here is NBA Jam. It's finally here. Now, we reviewed plenty of Arcade1UP machines, as you can probably already tell, but this one here is a little special. In fact, it's one of my favorite games growing up, and if you're watching this video, you're probably in the market for one of these as well. Believe it or not, it's actually a great deal. Mainly because you get a lot of retro feedback and a lot of new perks that you haven't seen in any of the other previous arcades before. So in this episode here, we'll be unboxing it, trying it out, and seeing what it's all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So this here is the massive box that they send us. And now I have to say, it was a very difficult task to bring this box down. I mean, literally I had to roll it over. It weighs over 75 pounds. Now this particular kit is a 4-player kit. So you do get 4 joysticks, and the unique kicker is that it is a Wi-Fi game. So you can go out and play with people online, wherever, whenever. Now it does have an interesting light up marquee as well as a lit up base, which should be kind of interesting to see exactly when it is fully built. And it does include a stand. Now they also have a version that allows you to go ahead and sit on a stool that's designed with the same concept, which is kind of cool too. Now this here features 3 different games, including NBA Jam, NBA Jam Tournament, and NBA Hangtime. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open this thing up. Got ourselves our user manual right over there. Wow, sweet. So this here's everything that you get. So we have our 2 sideboards. We have our main controller pad right over there. We have your front case cover right over there. And then we have our screen. And then we have our stand, our backboard, our marquee, and variety of nuts and bolts, and our speaker and Wi-Fi adapter. So let's go ahead and cue up that montage and build this bad boy. Alright, so we're finally done, and the process itself wasn't too difficult. They actually made it a lot more refined compared to the previous models that we reviewed. Now you'll probably notice that there's a lot more details. For instance, you have the red trim going throughout it, and then you have the nice high gloss finish. You have a variety of different textures from the side pieces to the front. This here is a nice high gloss piece. In addition, you have the acrylic cover, just so you can go and technically protect yourself from wear and tear as you use it. Now this one here houses 4 controllers, and you have these new and improved handles, so you can go ahead and have a vigorous battle among them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and turn this thing on and try it out. Alright, so you'll notice that you have 4 different players. So you have 2 over here and 2 over here, so you play 2 on 2. You got the blue team and the red team. Each particular character has 3 buttons. This includes shoot, block, pass/steal, and turbo. Now you have player 1, player 2, player 3, player 4, and then you have an on-off button right over here, and then the volume control. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Alright, so you'll notice that the on-screen is a little bit different than the previous one. Now we have our illuminated marquee right over here. Currently is loading. There we go, we got the Arcade1UP sign. And then you have the volume control, so it's not just 3 steps, but a full dial. So you can go ahead and pump it up all the way to 15, or you can go ahead and lower it down to 0. So you can see that they actually went ahead and revamped the whole entire setup over here. So you can see that you have 3 games. You have NBA Jam, Tournament Edition, Hangtime, and Online. This is the first time we can actually play online against other people around the world. And then another thing you probably haven't noticed is this setting piece right over here. So if I just went ahead and toggle to the left just like this and hit shoot, I can go ahead and enable and disable a variety of things, including head size, drone difficulty, mode sounds, a variety of different factors that you would actually have to manually key into the original arcade machine. Alright, let's go ahead and try out NBA Jam. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and pick our team. So you have a variety of different teams that you can pick from here. Obviously, since I'm from Chicago, we'll be picking the Chicago Bulls. And yeah, so let's go ahead and play this bad boy and see what this is about. So one thing I noticed is that there's no lag time at all. This thing is lickety split. I mean, you can see how fast the movements are. As soon as I hit up, the controller goes up. And literally, this definitely brings back a flash from the past. All right, let's see if we can shoot. 2-pointer. So I used to play this game as a kid. I remember they used to have a bunch of hacks where you can put other players in there, such as the Home Alone kid and Michael Jackson and a variety of other characters too. Oh, slam dunk! Oh no! Alright, you got me there. Alright, let's go ahead. Oh no, I lost the ball! Pass it back. Turbo. Alright, so it kind of gives you an idea what that's about. Definitely a lot of fun, a lot of nostalgic value to it. So if I go ahead and hit live, it'll go ahead and say return to game or go to main menu. In this case here, we're going to go back to the main menu. And then let's go ahead and take a quick look at we have the NBA Tournament Edition as well as NBA Hangtime. Alright, Hamza, let's go ahead and try this out. I have my 2-year-old son here. I'm going to go ahead and teach him the ropes on how this game works. Alright, ready? Come on, Hamza. Slam dunk. 2 points. Oh, yeah. Oh, slam dunk. Yeah, come on. Oh. Push button. Oh, slam dunk. 16-0. Yeah, 1 minute to go. 1 minute. 20-0. Yeah. So obviously, you can't really play this with a 2-year-old, but still, it's a lot of fun. Did you have fun, Hamza?
Yeah, fun.
You gotta look at the camera. See. Did you have fun?
Yeah, fun.
Yeah. Woo-hoo. And let's go ahead and turn on some of this stuff here. So one thing you can do is you can technically change it and turn on scale lines. This is pretty cool. So it kind of gives you the retro feel. So watch this. So now we have like that old school lines. That's really cool. Come on. Alright, so I got the ball. You go for the hoop. And dunk. Yeah. You have hang time as well. So hang time is more about like slam dunks and stuff of that nature, which is fun too. So this here, you can see how it is. Looks really cool. Very nice, spot on quality colors. Oh, they got it. All right, go up for the hoop. Dunk. Oh, okay, that was a layup. All right, well, there you guys have it. This here is the all-new NBA Jam by Arcade1UP. Definitely a pride establishment among all the awesome Arcade1UP lineup. This here is something special. Now, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.